How's it going, guys?
What's up, guys?
It's been a minute since we've made our last update video, but we've done a lot in the recent couple weeks and months. Besides our GoFundMe, we used a lot of that money that people have donated to us for a lot of supplies and materials. And we've been working on the front part of our building, which would be the showroom and cafe. So we wanted to show you a couple things that we've got going on. We're starting with working on the ceiling, working our top way down. We've got a lot of ceiling tiles that we're painting this gray color. We need, what is it, like 800 square feet?
It's about between 800 and 900 square feet. So we're painting them this gray, I don't know, you call this like slate gray maybe? It kind of looks like concrete,
it looks
right?
Great. Yeah.
I think it looks really good.
Yeah.
And we're gonna put them on the ceiling like Keaton said.
Besides that, we got this entire section of construction done, expanding this hallway and supporting the upper level, as well as adding this extended walk-through area. Big doorway, basically more access to where the cafe bar will be. I think we showed a little bit of layout before, but right where Jacob's standing is gonna be the bar front and gonna build the back bar behind it and everything. Besides that, we also poured the concrete here. We took a little video of that, a little sped up. We did concrete everywhere.
And here.
Yeah.
To reinforce and stabilize, you know,
the posts.
Posts.
Oh yeah, that window's coming out so you can serve through it from the bar. It's gonna be cool. Then once we get the ceiling done, we're gonna be working on the walls, take off the loose plaster and put up, I think it's Homatos.
It sounds right, Homatos.
Something like that.
Homatos.
It's a thin material. You might know what it is, Tristan. Homatos?
Hematote, was that it?
Hematote? I don't know. Basically, we're gonna cover all the walls with it and make the walls look nice, and then do these walls, fill in the break room walls with some sound absorbing material as well. So that'll be done. Once this front room's done, we can start parking cars up here. It's gonna be sick. Put some cool lights up top and make it amazing.
Be the showroom.
Yeah, we already know.
Show stuff off.
Yeah. Oh, we got a spiral staircase as well right there. I don't think we talked about that yet.
Yeah, let's go talk about it.
Okay. We stole this from, or we got this from a nearby nearby business. But it's about, was it 9, 11 feet, something like that?
It was like 10 feet tall.
But this is gonna go, follow me.
Follow me.
It's gonna go right here, right where this pile of mess is. I don't know if we had a video of the workbenches we got and made and everything, but this is our area for making stuff up front. But it's going here,
Yeah,
and we're
gonna build a staircase here, and then up here into our office, all the way over to that wall, where we're gonna make a little balcony, so we can kind of just hang out, chill, and literally oversee the garage.
Yeah. So the balcony is going to have two purposes. Well, first it's going to be the width of that wall, that little short wall, come all the way across. But it's going to have two purposes, not only to make a roof for that area above the concrete pad, because we'll be putting a wall right here, and then big doors on the opening.
They're gonna slide open over that way so that we can drive our cars into the showroom and, you know, back out, obviously.
Yeah. So it's going to be boxed in, basically. And then we'll have a cool little porch area in front of the break room.
Yeah, maybe
Little
put,
bar
like, a
thing.
Couch, little bar.
Yeah, cool stuff. And there's Carter.
Did we show him the room?
Oh, Carter was in a music video. We had a music video here. It was my buddy Styles and his buddy Wes Gray.
Wes Gray.
And they made My Garage music video. We'll put a link in it. It's pretty dope.
In the cut, level up. Smoking with you, always talk it up. Talking about the facts and the fiction, reminiscing on the past and the bullshit of growing up. We've been doing this since always. Flipping these bags in the hallways. Bought a whole grand with my lunch money. Slack in school, but I get A.
Then we got a lot of stuff done in the garage itself. I think the last update video we had was us showing that we painted the floor. So obviously there's a lot different here.
Yeah, so we have a workbench, another workbench, all our tools. Alex moved
We got
in.
Alex project, which has been moving along pretty well, and Tristan as well.
Yeah, there's videos on his project that you can watch, stay up to date with. This is Keaton's car. He's always working on it.
Yeah, always.
This is my car, also one of our projects.
Haven't moved along.
Haven't moved along, you know, I've been busy updating the garage.
Yeah,
so.
we've been working a lot
He just
here.
got back from work.
Yeah.
How it works. We have our Che Garage logo,
This thing is sick.
official.
Got that hung. We took down a lot of the old gas pipes from the ceiling, which sucked, but we still got a couple left. And on that side as well. We got Joe's car here, the Dodge Cornet. He's got a steal on that, I think.
Yeah, he just lowered it.
It's not a Cornet.
It's a what?
It's a Meadowbrook. Yeah, the Cornets came with a V8.
Oh.
Over here, we have basically all the parts for our gym that we're building underneath me down in the basement. So we have,
Oh, we cleaned that out too. Let's talk
Well,
about it while we're done. Okay, go ahead.
well, we have a flat bench, an incline bench, squat rack, barbells. We're gonna get more dumbbells.
More free weights,
Yeah.
plates basically.
So we'll show you where the gym's gonna be, and we'll talk more about it.
We got this handrail going right here. That one would be the backing. So we cleaned this out a lot more. Kill him! That's a big boy.
So this is our dungeon. It'll soon to be a home gym.
Yeah, we got that whole pile of mess out there. Sold all the hammer handles. Got the old desk out of here. Obviously, there's not a foot of dirt down here anymore.
We still have our Pepsi cans from 1974.
And the compressor, which we're gonna hook up soon. We found out that it's not hooked up to the 3-phase up top. It's just we're just run new wire up there because there's a new circuit up there it can go on. Then build the false floor here and make a gym.
And possibly shower there?
Yeah,
And then
that's the plan. We're clearing up an area for renters to work in right here. We have a general plan. So we're gonna open that little cinder block passage through to the other building so we can park on that side and not take up space here where we're working. And then put the 2-post lift right here because this is the concrete that's thick enough for it. And then this side will be just a workstation. We got a parts cleaner and we're gonna put all of our heavy equipment over here. Pulled the weeds out the back. What else?
I think that's about it for now.
Yeah, we just got a lot of stuff in here now, a lot of new projects, and we're ready to start putting out a lot more videos. We got the desk in here.
Yeah, the break room's probably a lot different than it used to look.
Yeah, we cleaned it up a little bit, also added some things.
So we got a TV, some speakers, a little table, some couches.
The lights, which are cool.
It's thrown together, but
Yeah.
it's comfortable and it serves its purpose. So
I'm gonna get a couple cabinets, like kitchen cabinets, put along in this L shape, and then a countertop on top of it, and then we'll put some hanging cabinets above it and have a kitchenette here, which will have like just a microwave, a toaster oven, and a mini fridge, and a coffee machine, of course. But then here's a desk we're gonna use for all of our video editing, and
all data.
yeah, it's a research desk and our production desk. As you can see, we got what we got to do. We've done pour concrete and build this archway right here. We need to still build the walls, which is what we're talking about for the balcony, and the plumbing for this, and then fix the AC. We're gonna redo this floor with like linoleum or something. I don't know, probably linoleum or granite.
Granite?
No.
Granite.
I need to fix up the electricity because I tore all the circuits apart. Put up drywall. Build the bar.
Anything else we've done?
Build the ramps for the cars to drive over that little curb, and then fix the ramp from the garage door so we can not scrape anymore. And then that's about it. I mean, we'll be done in business. It's all right there. Yeah? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Drew chains. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll put some more update videos out soon and some car content and how-tos and everything. So hit the subscribe to it.
Smash.
Smash that subscribe button. Give us a like and comment on what you want to see. Thanks again. See you guys.
Che Garage. Out.
Subscribe that hit button.